Hi there, this topic is about Red Hat container. We will be configure a server to be ready for containers. First, we will be installing container tools and then using commands like podman to manage containers. Podman commands to run, search, and inspect container images in registry. Creating and running detached containers, creating persistent storage, and lastly run container as a service. So now let us start preparing a new enterprise server for container. First, subscribe server to Red Hat subscription. Using subscription manager command, we register the server. Then set role as Red Hat Enterprise Linux system. Make it an auto attach and then confirm by listing the results. The only installation we require is the container tool modules. Execute yum install container tools. After the installation, do a podman to view the commands, how to use the command. This is a very important command for the container. Check the Scopio command and read through the menu. Understand how to use Scopio, followed by the build la command. The naming convention of the image is registry name followed by username, image name, and then tag. There are a few registry which you can use to pull out images. For this video, we will be using the following two registry: registry.ss.redhat.com and registries.redhat.io registry. Log into the registry.ss.redhat.com. Once logged in, do a podman search on the registry with Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8. And you can see the image of the search results. We can also use podman search and limit 10 results for the HTTPD. The podman will display only 10 results. Do a curl with a -s to the registry, and the objective of this command is to view the text and sort it in order. From the results, we can list down all the text of the image. Now log into registry.redhat.io registry. Use the Scopio to inspect the image. From the Scopio command, we can look for the latest version. You can see that there's a 1-321 version here. Now let us create a DB container image with MySQL. First, we install the MySQL command. After the installation is completed, log into registry.ss.redhat.com. Create a detached MariaDB database container with the following specifications: MySQL user Julia, MySQL password Red Hat, MySQL database inventory, MySQL root password Red Hat. Log into registry.redhat.io. Execute the following command in a single line. Podman run detach -name mydb with the MySQL's command, password as Red Hat, database as inventory, the root password as Red Hat, port 3306 to registry.redhat.io. Use the podman ps command to view the container. Is it running? Then use MySQL command, login as Julia with the right password with port 3306 with 127.0.0.1. Enter the password to log into the container database. Show a database command. Use the inventory table. Then exit the database. Let's try to deploy a container with persistent storage. First, we create a website folder in your home directory. Place a default page on your website. Ensure that the website directory is accessible to everyone. Ensure that the home page is accessed to everyone. Create Apache HTTP server container instance with persistent storage. Create instance name, my website. Redirect to port 8080. Mount website directory to /var/www directory in the container. Add a $Z to mount option to relabel directory and its content. Log into registry.redhat.io. Run the podman command detach with a name my website, port 8080 to map the website with a /var/www with a Z to relabel. Ensure the version is 1-98. Use the podman ps command to check the image. Use curl to test the URL. Use the Scorpio command to check the newer version of the image. From the Scorpio results, we can see there's a 1-323 image, which is newer. Now we stop the my website container and remove the my website container. Use the portman ps command to ensure there's no more container running. Rerun the portman command and replace the 1-323 version. Use the portman ps command to make sure the containers is running. Then use a curl to test the website.